Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to create light within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, this light bulb looks very bright due to the stuff that I've applied in Photoshop, and I want to show you the process and the steps that you need to take to do such effect. Okay, so I'm just going to get rid of these top 4 layers here. So I'm just going to highlight them all by pressing Shift and just pressing backspace to remove. And as you can see, this is the original image that I started with. And as you can see, that light bulb is very low in the sense of the level of the light. So I want to improve it. First of all, what I'm going to do now is come through and add a brand new layer. And on this layer, what I need to do is manipulate the layer styles. So to do that, I need to double click on that layer. And what you must make sure you do is have transparency shapes layer unticked. Now to that layer, what I'm going to do is apply a blending mode of color dodge. Wonderful. I'm going to come through now and use my brush here. Going to make sure my opacity is around 100% and the flow around 20%. I want that layer with my foreground color as white. So I'm just going to come through. Let me zoom in a little bit using the shortcut Command Plus on a Mac or Control Plus on Windows, and just come through now and start bringing that light through on that light bulb. And as you can see now, just a couple of little strokes of the brush, the lightness is really improving. Okay. Wonderful. Now I'm going to add a brand new layer on top here. And to this layer, what I'm going to do now is use a blending mode of overlay. That's the one. Perfect. And just come over again and start to create some new brush strokes with my brush here. Wonderful. And just the last step that we need to make sure we do is duplicate that last layer, which is the shortcut Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create light and brightness within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also as well, the recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis. So please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.